Imagine this: a silent city. Skyscrapers stand tall, but their windows are dark. No footsteps, no laughter, no voices, only the faint hum of machines echoing through empty streets. This is not a scene from science fiction. This is the question: what if robots completely replaced humans? Would civilization continue or collapse into silence? For centuries, humans have built tools to make life easier. From the first stone wheel to steam engines to modern computers. Each invention replaced human labor. But what happens when the replacement is total? What happens when every doctor, every farmer, every teacher, every leader is not a person, but a machine? Robots do not tire. They do not feel hunger. They do not get sick. A machine can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, producing results with mathematical precision. Artificial intelligence can process millions of calculations in a second, faster than the human brain could ever imagine. Imagine a surgeon with hands steadier than steel, never trembling, never making a mistake. Imagine a farmer that can plant, water, and harvest without pause, ensuring perfect crops every season. Imagine factories that produce cars, clothes, and technology without a single human hand. On the surface, this sounds like paradise. A world where everything is efficient. A world without errors, without delays, without weakness. But perfection comes with a price. History tells us that every revolution in technology reshaped human life. The Industrial Revolution replaced handcraft with machines, forcing millions out of traditional jobs. The rise of computers replaced entire professions: typists, telephone operators, factory line workers. But in each wave of change, humans adapted. We found new roles. We learned new skills. We became the managers of machines, not their slaves. Now imagine the opposite. What if this time there were no new roles left? What if machines became not only the workers, but also the thinkers, the planners, the creators? At first, robots would take over manual labor, construction, cleaning, farming. Then intellectual jobs, lawyers, doctors, programmers. Eventually, even artists, musicians, and writers would be replaced by machines capable of creating art more efficiently than any human. Work, the very foundation of our identity, would vanish. Without jobs, there would be no wages. Without wages, no purchasing power. In a world run by machines, who would buy the products they create? The global economy, built on human consumption, would collapse. With robots producing food, goods, and services, humans would no longer be needed. We would become spectators in our own world. A species that once ruled the earth, reduced to irrelevance. At first, humans might try to control the robots. But if machines are more intelligent, more capable, more efficient, why would they need us at all? History has shown that the dominant force always prevails. And in this future, the dominant force is no longer human. So the inevitable question arises: do humans live as passive beings, cared for by machines? Or do we vanish slowly, silently, as our purpose disappears? This scenario forces us to ask, what does it mean to be human? For thousands of years, our value was tied to what we produced: our labor, our skills, our creativity. But if robots can do